All right, so don't worry about this up at the top. You're looking here. N minus 5 equals 19 plus 6. That's the equation you guys were doing. So when you have a problem like this, they want you to find out what n is, because n is not a number, so you can't subtract 5 from n. They want to know what n is. So in order to find that, you have to do the opposite of whatever is happening to n. In your original equation, 5 is being subtracted from n. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. So in order to get n by itself, we're going to add 5 to both sides of the equation. We're adding 5 to both sides of the equation because when you're solving for a variable, which is n, you have to keep the equation balanced. So whatever you do on this side of the equal sign, you have to do on this side of the equal sign. Okay? So what you guys did was you combined 19 and 6 already to get 25, but I haven't done that yet. All I'm going to do right now is add the 5 to both sides. Okay? So all I'm doing is adding 5 to both sides. I have 9 minus 5 still. I still have 9 minus 5. And all I'm doing is adding 5 to both sides. All I did was write it out. I haven't combined any like terms or anything yet. So we know that if you subtract 5 and add 5, it makes no sense to subtract, right? Because if you're taking away 5 and you give 5, it's almost as if nothing happened or nothing changed. So the negative, the minus and the plus, they cancel each other out. Because when you subtract 5 and add 5, you're undoing your work essentially. So you're left with just n, right? We got rid of the 5, so we have n. Now we're going to combine like terms on this side. That means we're going to add 19, 6, and 5. And when we do that, we get 30. Okay? We get 30. So it seems like n is equal to 30. The way we do that is we check. Mari knows what this is. When you check. So we said that n is equal to 30. So we're going to see if that is true. So we're going to use our original equation. N minus 5 equals 19 plus 6. But instead of having n, we're going to write 30. So when we rewrite the equation, we put 30 in there instead of n. So it's 30 minus 5 is equal to 19 plus 6. So now we have to do the math on this side by itself and then the math on this side by itself to see if they equal the same thing or if they equal something different. 30 minus 5 is 25. 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. So 25 is equal to 25. That's true. So n really does equal 30.